Hi guys, this is our presentation. It's me, I'm Kuanyu, and
This is Anton.
our topic is migration and its impact on economic development. And about us, I'm Kuanyu, I'm 24 years old, I'm from Taiwan, and we play tennis and we go to UNLV.
Yeah, my name is Anton. I'm 24 years old from Sweden. I've been a student here for almost 5 years, and I also play tennis. Okay, quick introduction on our topic. So a little history about it. Migration has shaped economics and societies, acting as a bridge between labor markets and economic growth. And why is this so important? Because it has a huge influence on savings and investment and reshaping capital accumulation. And the solo growth model has been great for us while doing this because of how its long-term implications of migration and economic growth just fit great for our topic.
So the research objectives of our project, the purpose of the study is how does migration influence economic growth through changes in labor. And our key focus area is labor force growth. Capital accumulation explores how saving and investment shift with migration patterns. And the solo growth model is great foundation for analyzing this. Next page.
So data and methods. We've used a data set from UN International Migration Statistics and another one from the World Bank. We thought these were great because they have global coverage, which is what we need. And then we have also been using the regression model, which has GDP per capita as the dependent variable and uses independent variables like population, net migration, and literacy rates. Our model's key variables are population, net migration, and literacy rate. We're also using OLS regression, which stands for ordinary least regression. We use this due to its significant relationships between migration and economic variables.
Okay, next page, important statistics. This table provides a summary of the descriptive statistics for the variables analyzed in the study. The migration value of 0.00 highlights its importance, unlike population density, which is not statistically significant. Improving literacy has long-term benefits as shown by its positive yet less significant impact. And to talk a little bit about this table provides a summary of descriptive statistics for the variables analyzed in the study. So the first, GDP per capita, the average GDP per capita across the data set is $9,689.2. But there is significant variability as indicated by a high standard deviation of $10,049.14. And we're gonna just add some highlight in this table charts to go through a little bit. And the second is the population. The mean population is 28.7 million with a wide range reflecting diverse country size in the data set. And another one is net migration. The average of net migration rate is 0.038, indicating generally low levels of net migration overall, but the variability of 4.89 highlights significant regional differences. And lastly, I want to talk about the literacy rate. The mean literacy rate is 82.84%, indicating relatively high education levels. There are notable disparities between countries.
OLS regression results. This table presents the result of the OLS regression analysis, which examines the relationship between migration-related factors and GDP per capita. Overall, the regression confirms that migration, along with industrialization and service expansion, significantly contributes to economic development. And I want to just go through a couple of things with this table. So, talk a little about the population. The coefficient for the population is negative minus 0.00000018, indicating a slight negative impact on GDP per capita, though this result is not statistically significant. And when it comes to the net migration has a strong positive coefficient, 806.37, which is statistically significant with a p-value of 0.000. This indicates that higher levels of migration positively impact GDP growth, which we thought was very interesting. Let's go over the literacy rate. Literacy has a positive coefficient, 64.57, but the p-value of 0.084 indicates that this relationship is not statistically significant.
And we come to the key takeaways of this whole presentation and conclusion. So the labor force participation, migrants significantly contribute to labor market participation, as evidenced by the positive relationship between migration-adjusted labor force participation rates and GDP growth. And second is education and literacy. Education emerges as a critical enabler, empowering migrants to integrate into the positively impact the workforce. Higher literacy rates among migrants directly enhance their labor market effectiveness. And then third is sectoral contribution. The service and industrial sectors supported by migration play a significant role in economic growth, underscoring the need for targeted policies to maximize their potential.
And we got two left here, two big ones. Social and economic dynamics. While migration foster economic growth, challenges such as disparities in education and high infant mortality rates can hinder progress, highlighting areas that require policy attention. Then last one is economic benefits of migration. Regions with higher net migration rates consistently demonstrate stronger GDP growth and contributions, showcasing migration as a driver of economic resilience and innovation.
Thank you so much.